Meaning of hairpin curve.
Hairpin curve.
Hairpin curve.
Hairpin curve.
Hairpin curve. A hairpin curve is a type of road curve that resembles the shape of a hairpin. This type of curve is characterized by a sharp turn that doubles back on itself, creating a U-shape. Hairpin curves are commonly found in mountainous areas where roads need to adjust to the terrain. These curves can be challenging to navigate for drivers due to the tight turns and steep drop-offs. Therefore, extra caution is required when driving on roads with hairpin curves to ensure safety and prevent accidents.